So what I'm going to do for you is play a little bit of clean, and then I want to really show you the right-hand dynamics of the amp and how it interacts with what you're playing. So you can see how it really interacts with your right hand and how the harder you play, the harder you get into it, the more grit you're going to get out of it. It's almost like you've got a built-in overdrive right in your right hand. So it's really nice. So I'm going to show you a little bit of the difference now between the 2-watt sound, the 9-watt sound, and the 18-watt sound. I'm going to show you now what the bump feature does. This is the amp with the bump off. And then now here's the amp with the bump on. And now I want to show you what the boost feature does. The boost feature really lets you get into that overdrive saturation just a little bit sooner. How the amp interacts with some pedals. So what I want to show you now is how you can hit the front end of the amp with a clean boost and really overdrive the preamp. So you can see how you can get that combination of the preamp overdrive and the power amp overdrive, which really thickens up your tone. So now I've got the amp set on 18 watts. I'm going to turn the volume all the way up, turn the bump on, and turn the boost on, so you can hear it. The amp sounds like run wide open.